The flat roof lends a sleek contemporary silhouette to the exterior of this luxury residence, emphasizing clean lines and modern elegance. Expansive glass openings stretch across the facade, flooding the interiors with abundant natural light and creating a seamless visual connection to the surrounding landscape. This interplay of sunlight and transparency not only enhances the home's airy, open ambience but also underscores its sense of exclusivity and sophistication. The design strikes a perfect balance between minimalism and grandeur, making the private retreat both visually striking and inviting. The bedroom's generous dimension create a sense of calm and openness, offering ample space for both rest and personal retreat. Large window openings are strategically positioned to capture the full sweep of natural light throughout the day. Bathing the room in a soft, inviting glow, these windows not only brighten the interior but also frame serene views of the outdoors, blurring the boundary between inside and outside. The result is a space that feels airy, warm, and rejuvenating, a sanctuary where comfort meets the restorative power of daylight. At the heart of the kitchen, an elegant island table stands as a statement of both luxury and practicality. Its refined design craft with premium materials and meticulous detailing complements the surrounding cabinetry and finish, elevating the entire space's visual appeal. More than just a showpiece, the island offers generous workspace for culinary preparation, discreet storage solution, and a welcoming spot for casual dining or conversation. In blending beauty with purpose, it becomes the centerpiece that defines this kitchen opulence and reinforces its roles as the home's vibrant social hub. The bathroom is designed as a private haven where practical meets serene comfort. Its generous proportion create an open, uncluttered atmosphere, allowing movement and relaxation without the confines often felt in standard bathroom. Soft lighting and thoughtful spatial planning enhance the sense of seclusion, while an array of carefully chosen accessories ranging from elegant fixture to refined storage solution add layers of visual appeals. Each element works in harmony to elevate both functional and beauty, making the space not just a necessity but also a luxurious retreat within the home.